What's up, everybody? So I know that composting can be a lot of work, that there's a lot of shoveling, a lot of labor involved, especially if you have a 3-stage compost. But today I want to share with you guys one of the easiest ways to compost. There's really not a lot of energy. You layer it and it's basically ready to go. All you need is chicken wire and whatever your nitrogen and carbon is, in our case food scraps and dried leaves. Let me show you. And all it is wrapped around in chicken wire. At the bottom you see some dried leaves and also a little bit of hay, and then it's intermittent with greens, tomato plants, any kind of plants that were discarded from the garden throughout the year, and some more dried leaves on top. Now after you're ready, I just flipped this, which was about after 5 months, and I just flipped it. Now you can see at the top we got perfectly good compost that we could even use this right now. It still needs a little more time to break down, but you can see there's a lot of worms, a lot of roly-polies. It's breaking down quite nicely, and it still needs a little more time at the bottom. Eventually, throughout the winter with the rain and the snow, this will speed up the process a lot easier. And basically by late February or early March, I'll flip it one more time and we'll have compost ready by then. Very minimal effort, and you'll have compost in about 6 to 10 months, depending on how much water you pour onto it, or if you just let it go all natural with the rain. Anyway, thought I'd share this with you guys. There's the before and there's the after. Thanks for watching.